everyone. So today we will discuss about the festivals of the world, and especially I will discuss about Holi. So before reading this book, let's draw a very cute drawing on Holi. So let's start. So I will draw a easy and cute drawing on Holi. I will just try to draw the same drawing but in an easy way so that everyone can draw, because I want like everybody can enjoy and this drawing. Okay, so I am drawing this. Okay, so it's like this. I'll draw, and the same thing I'm just drawing to copy. You can also draw in an easy way. Okay, now my drawing of girl is ready. Now I will draw the boy. So now I will draw the boy's face, and like this. She's okay. Now in the same way I will draw all the characters. You can see, you have seen how I have drawn one, and the same way I will draw all the other characters also, and then I will color it to draw the scene of Holi. In the same way, now I will draw the other characters also from the cover page. Now this. So I have drawn all the colors, all the characters, and then I have just written, colored it also with sketch pen. So happy Holi. So this is my drawing. You can also draw this. I have told you, I have shown you how you can draw one. In the same way you can draw other characters also and just color it with crayons and sketch pen. So okay, now I will read the book for you. Festivals of the World, Holi. Holi is the Hindu festival of colors. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil and marks the end of winter and the arrival of spring. It is also celebrated as a thanksgiving for a good harvest. Holi is among the oldest festival in India and is mentioned in many ancient texts and paintings. According to the Hindu calendar, the festival falls on the last day of the full moon in the month of Fagun. The date falls somewhere between the end of February and the middle of the late of March. The celebrations begin with a bonfire the night before Holi, known as the Holika Dahan. People assemble around the bonfire to sing, dance, and celebrate. According to the legend, the word holy is derived from the name Holika. Holika was the wicked sister of demon king Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu asked for a boon from Lord Brahma to make him as good as immortal. Now he considered himself a god and ordered everyone in his kingdom to worship him. He was furious from that his son Prahlad worshipped Lord Vishnu and ordered his execution. However, Lord Vishnu foiled Hiranyakashipu's attempt and saved Prahlad each time. Holika, Prahlad's aunt, was blessed with a boon which gave her resistance from fire. The blessing was in the form of a shawl which would protect her. So Hiranyakashipu asked Holika to sit on a lit fire with Prahlad on her lap. The demon king was sure that Prahlad couldn't be saved this time. When they entered the fire, Holika was burnt alive, but Prahlad survived the fire unharmed. Later, Lord Vishnu killed Hiranyakashipu. The bonfire on the eve of Holi has thus been named Holika and symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. The day of Holika Dahan is also called Choti Holi or Small Holi. The day after Holika Dahan is Holi, which is celebrated with the rite of colors. Friends and family play Holi with each other by applying powdered color known as gulal. Water guns and balloons filled with colored water are also used in fun-filled water battles, especially when children play Holi with one another. It doesn't matter if one is rich or poor, a friend or a stranger, a man or a woman or a child. Everyone comes out on the street to play Holi. People visit friends and family members to spray each other with colors and enjoy Holi delicacies. Delicious preparations like gujia, kachori, malpua, matri, etc. are popular saviors and sweets served on Holi. Popular drinks like thandai are also enjoyed on this festival. Holi is celebrated in a unique way in the Brij region of North India near Mathura, the birthplace of Lord Krishna. The festivals go on for as long as 16 days to celebrate the love of Radha for Lord Krishna. On one of these days, women have the freedom to hit men who protect themselves with shields. This is known as Latmar Holi and is done playfully, of course. Holi is not only a day of festivals but also an occasion to pay and forgive debts, repair strained relationships, forgive enemies, and end the errors of the past. A carnival of flower of colors, Holi is celebrated with great enthusiasm every year. Happy Holi! So happy Holi to all the viewers, whoever is watching this video, and bye everyone.